South African Weather Service says the country should brace for a very cold weather. The cold, wet and windy weather hit the Western Cape yesterday afternoon and is expected to spread eastwards across South Africa. Cold temperatures are expected in most parts over the next few days. The snow on the high-lying areas there. And for more on this cold conversation, we're now joined by Lulama Menze, senior forecaster at the South African Weather Service. Good to have you, Lulama, and thank you very much for your time. Not the type of news one would like to hear on the weekend, that it is going to get even colder in the coming week. When do we expect this cold to hit this side of town?
Thank you, Thabo, and thank you to the listeners. As you have indicated, there is a cold front that has passed through, and that cold front is coming with very cold conditions. There's already very cold conditions over the western parts of our country as well as the southern parts. As you have indicated, it is accompanied by some snowfall over the high peak, meaning over the high ground, over the southern parts of southern high ground of the Northern Cape, as well as the mountains of the Western Cape. And that condition is expected to spread eastwards, and then it will affect the Eastern Cape high ground, more the interior parts, and their mountains as well. The high peaks, they're going to expect some snowfall. That is starting this evening already. And coupled with this, we also have some strong winds. We also have some strong waves as well. And we have issued a yellow level 2 warning for waves, resulting in difficulty in navigation at sea. That is expected between Alexander Bay and Maputo. It will only subside west of East London by the afternoon tomorrow, but then it will spread northwards, more to the Maputo area. We still expect it. And also there is also damaging winds. Those damaging winds are also expected along the coast. And the impact, it will be difficulty in navigation of small vessels, localized disruption of small harbors, ports for a short period of time. Right. They are expected along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape coast tomorrow. That is from the mid-morning right into Monday. And we also have disruptive snowfall, as you have indicated. And the impact that disruptive snowfall has, it is danger to driving conditions, meaning we are warning against, it will be more over the Eastern Cape, the Eastern Cape interior, the mountains and the high ground of the Eastern Cape. We are giving a yellow level 2 warning for disruptive snow and also an orange level 6. Meaning the yellow level 2, it means the impacts are going to be minor, but the likelihood is high.
Right.
Orange level 6, it means the impacts are going to be high, significant, and then the likelihood is going to be in the medium area. And then that is for the areas of Chris Hani, Sengu, Elundini, Matatiela, Umzimvubu, local municipalities. And then that will spread to the southwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And that cold conditions are also expected over the escarpment of Mpumalanga, but that will be on Monday. The temperatures are dropping significantly, as you have indicated, and we are giving advisories for very cold, wet and windy conditions expected with the passage of this cold front over the southern parts of both Northern Cape, Free State, and the Eastern Cape from tomorrow into Monday.
And where is this system coming from? Sorry, where is this system coming from, and how long is it expected to last?
It is coming from the west, as our weather systems, they move from west to east. So it's a cold front that is coming from the west, and it is associated also with an upper level trough. And then that causes it to come with all this significant weather.
Yeah, and is this the last batch, I suppose, of a cold system coming through for the winter, or are more still expected?
More are still expected. This is the first one to really record significant drop in temperatures.
Talk about that significance. Is it something that is a little bit more severe to the normal kind of cold fronts we see, and could that be associated with also the severe weather events that we have been seeing in the country?
Yes, as I've indicated, we are expecting temperatures right now over the western and the southern parts of the country. The maximum temperatures for today, you have Sutherland that reached 6 degrees. Other areas, they only reach 8 degrees. And for us, meaning the escarpment of Mpumalanga, for Monday, we're going to record a maximum of 8 degrees. Usually we get that 8 degrees as a minimum, but this time we're going to get it as a maximum temperature, meaning the temperature that the maximum temperature that we're going to reach on a day.
And these
So
types,
that is quite significant.
yeah, these types of drop in temperature, of course, come with all sorts of other dangers, with particularly people wanting to make fires indoors and so on and so forth, and that has seen some severe events also happening because of that.
It's better to make fires inside than outside, because we are going to experience also the windy conditions. The same for us. They have already experienced it in the Eastern Cape ahead of it, and we've given a warning for such. And now the windy conditions are going to be expected over Limpopo as well as Gauteng and the Mpumalanga province.
Yeah.
But that will be on Monday.
We are seeing some floods in some parts of KwaZulu-Natal. I mean, is the wet weather coming with a lot of rain?
It is not coming with a lot of rain. That's the best thing that it has right now, except that it comes with damaging waves. It comes with damaging winds and the snowfall. Rain-wise, it's not going to be significant. We're going to have rain, yes. We have given 60% chance of showers and thunder showers along the coast and the adjacent interior, and there has been 80% chance over the southwestern parts, meaning the Cape metropole areas. But the remainder, it looks like we're going to have more 60% chance of showers and thunder showers,
right,
and rainfall not really significant. That is going to be recorded.
And when other people when can they expect some kind of relief? When is this going to start getting a little bit better?
Getting?
I'm saying when are people expected to see some relief from this cold weather? I mean, you're saying it will hit in some parts tomorrow, in some parts already on Monday. Is it expected to last the whole week, or in the middle of that week we're going to see maybe a little bit more better conditions?
It's already improving on Tuesday. It will just be in the morning of Tuesday for the low veld of the Mpumalanga, the northeastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, low veld of Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo, and then improving during the day. So we're going to get an improvement, but as I said, it is winter, so temperatures are not going to increase significantly, but the severe weather part of it is going to subside.
Lulama, Menze, appreciate your time. Thanks so much for coming on Senior Forecaster.